First, looking at them, it looks pretty complicated. You have this really big recess up here. But after kind of getting my hand on it, I actually think this is going to be a pretty simple light. I don't know if we're going to be able to tint this bottom section, but if we can't, that's okay. We're just going to cut that and not have any tint there. That's what they do with a PPF pattern. So let's see what happens. I'm actually pretty surprised. If I hold the tint up here, I'm short about a ½ inch. It's not going to matter because I'm going to pull a little bit. But I mean, for the most part, the tint lays on completely flat here and here, and there's not much of a cutback here or here like you find on many vehicles. So we're not going to need to do much pre-stretch on this. It should. Let's just try. We're going to go really easy. Just take a look at things. That's exactly what I would expect. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that part there. Come down. Attach that there. I might go ahead and even try to anchor a little right there because it's just all flat. There's no tension at all. It's perfectly spread out. So this is a really fun place to start, actually, I think. Now I only need to get that about ½ inch out of this film. I'm gonna put the heat right where that corner of the light is, or where the light turns back and goes towards the back of the vehicle. Easily got the stretch out of it. That's no problem at all. That's going to cover the light fully. Go ahead and see. See, there's just no fingers, no tension. And I can even just use my hand without having a squeegee because the vinyl doesn't want to bunch up anywhere on me. Now we are working up here where there is a really tiny recess, but not much, like I was saying, a lot less than many other vehicles. Just pull this up. Put the film down right there. Yeah, look, no heat except for that one stretch and really the majority of the light. Other than the inside part, I guess, which will be the complicated bit, is done. Nice and deep under the fender there. So I'm going to use some of our little tuck tools to finish this edge before I cut it. But this will be a good place to stop with the squeegee. And let's see how we're going to manage this inside section. There we go. That piece of plastic flexes plenty if you push hard enough. That light turns almost straight back right there. Just want to make sure you get that top edge locked and sealed, which it is. Oh look, thought those were lines. That's like the serial number of the light.
So this is way above and beyond. Now we could have cut at that line cleanly and not have any of this seen. The customer would have never known. Now I'm just kind of playing with the film. But this will be a very neat 100% coverage look. To show you that, this I'm gonna slit because I don't want that bubbling up and no one's gonna see it anyways. This here, I am gonna cut in this very back ridge. It's very easy. Doesn't take much pressure. But we want that knife right in that ridge. So you can't tell we were ever there. And I think that was perfect. Heated that up and it just grabbed. Everything is just grabbing. Yep. Heat it all for good measure. Lock your edges. Post-heat everything where we had to stretch down in here especially. And that's it.